Do you sometimes notice blue spots on your body when you wake up in the morning? Do you know how such a sting that looks like an animal bite happened on the body? Some even claim that such stains are caused by witchcraft. In Nepalese society, it is believed that witches suck blood and cause such scars on the body. There is a saying that the eyes of a witch are bad, especially if such stains are seen on the legs and arms of a woman. They are said to have been sucked by witches. If you wake up in the morning and see bruises on your body, you are under the illusion that you have been beaten by a witch. Superstition, including witchcraft, ghosts, etc., are prevalent in Nepalese society. Do you think so? If you believe that the spots on the body are caused by a witch sucking blood, then it is just a superstition. But there is no truth in it. Some resort to such beliefs when they are in trouble. However, experts say that such spots or blue spots on the body are caused by internal bleeding. Lack of platelets in human body causes internal or external bleeding from different parts of the body. Especially a person who is deficient in platelets in the body has bleeding from the gums, bleeding from the nose, a lot of bleeding during menstruation, blood in the urine. If there is internal bleeding under the skin or in the inner part, blue spots can be seen on different parts of the body. The appearance of such spots on any part of the body is fatal in itself. The arms and legs move more than other parts of the body, which causes the muscles of the arms and legs to move more and more, causing scars and internal bleeding in those areas. But if a person is not injured but has scars or bruises on his body, one needs to be careful. Such spots are usually seen when the skin is injured. Sometimes one part of your body presses on the other. Such an injury can also occur when hit with an object. Injury to any part of the skin or damage to blood vessel when it is hit somewhere causes a blue spot to appear on the part that has been hit. When injured or accidentally hit, blood clots in that area and such blue spots appear. In this way, the blood vessels of the body are affected due to the injury, due to which blue spots appears on the body. Even if you have cancer and do regular chemotherapy, blue spots appears on the body. This is because the blood platelets come down a lot during chemotherapy. When blood platelets comes down, blue spots appears on the body. Blue spots can also appear on the body when using certain medication and supplements. Blood thinners such as aspirin causes blue spots on the body. Similarly, some natural supplements like fish oil, garlic, blue spots appears on the body even when consumed in excess. Excessive exercise or lifting too much weight puts too much strain on the muscles and causes blue spots to appear on different parts of the body. Hemophilia, a hereditary disease, also causes blue spots on the body. This disease causes blood clots in the outer part of the body. Also, when the body is deficient in vitamins and minerals, such blue spots appears on the skin. Iron deficiency can cause anemia in the body, so iron deficiency is one of the most important causes of blue spots on the body. Blue spots also appears on the body due to increasing age and old age. As the blood vessels becomes weaker with age, blue spots appears on the body due to overgrowth. Even if our body's ability to produce blood is weakened, blue spots can appear on the body. Incidents of beating, harassing, defecation, and inhuman treatment in the name of witchcraft are still heard nowadays. When it comes to witchcraft, there are pious men and women are accused of witchcraft. The poorest, the disabled, the helpless, the unmarried, the inexperienced, the middle-aged, etc. are mainly accused of witchcraft. Such irrational belief should be removed as soon as possible, and legal action should be taken against those who commit such inhuman acts. Thank you.